Hi, welcome to the demo videos by NestorBird. Today, in this video, I'll be explaining you the journey of a customer, how he places the order on this website, and that order will be reflected at the merchant site, and he will be accepting and processing the order. Then I'll be showcasing you the functionalities of a super admin who is managing this portal, and in the last, I'll be taking you to the driver's app where he'll be getting notifications whenever he get assigned to order which has to be delivered to the customer site, right? So this is the landing page of the platform. I'll just click over here, search for the location, and from here I can select the options whether I want to get it delivered to my address or I wish to pick up from the store. And here you will get the nearby stores in that location, right? You can select one of them, just move ahead with one, and you will see all the details associated with that merchant, the name, the address, the opening and closing time, how far it is, right? And the reviews and ratings of that merchant, right? If there is any promo code associated with that merchant, that will also be reflected over here. You can go ahead and check the reviews as well, right? And then here is the list of all the products available with that merchant, right? You can categorize your products based on pizzas, pastas, drinks, and desserts, right? On the right side, you can see the cart. It's empty at the moment. So I'll just go ahead and customize a pizza. Here I can add up attributes like it could be a cheeseburger pizza, right? And removing the hand toast. If you wish to increase the size from regular to medium, you can change it to medium or you can change it to large. You can increase or decrease the quantities, right? And accordingly, the rate will be reflected in the cart. So I'll add two pizzas over here, right? You can see on the right hand side, your cart is reflecting your order, right? Now you can go ahead and proceed to checkout. If you have any promo code, you can apply the promo codes. If you wish to add any tip for the driver, you can go ahead and add the tip for the driver. Then you will see the subtotal, delivery charges, and the service charge, right? And here is the total, right? Now I wish to remove the quantity of one pizza. So I have clicked on -1 and you can see the rate has changed from here, right? So I'll just go ahead and proceed with the checkout. So here the customer has to either sign up, or if he is an existing user, then he can sign in, right? And one more functionality can be added over here as proceed as a guest. So even without signing in or signing up, a customer can proceed as a guest. At this moment, I'll be logging in from the customer credentials and showcasing you the remaining journey. So I have put the email ID and the password. Now I have signed in as Bhavesh Sharma, right? You can see he is the customer. Now he already has some of the addresses listed over here. He can select one of them, or if he wish to add a new address, he can go ahead and add a new address over here, right? So for this moment, I'll be taking an existing address on which I want to get my food delivered. So I'll click on this and move ahead, right? So this is the home address and this is the address, and the customer just has to confirm, right? Then there are the payment details. We have multiple options like wallet, credit card, or debit card, and the customer can pay on cash on delivery as well, right? So for this instance, I'll be taking the wallet, right? I have some balance in the wallet and I'll go ahead and place the order. The benefit of wallet is, suppose there is a return or a credit note for the customer, that amount can directly be added to the wallet instead of getting in all those chores of returning the money to the bank account or to the credit card. That's a bit lengthy process, but with the wallet, the ease is you can directly return the money of the customer in the wallet, right? So I'll just go ahead and place the order. So here you can see your order has been placed successfully, right? Now the order has been placed successfully, and the customer can go back in his account and check the associated details, right? So I'll quickly give you the overview of the account of a customer, right? Here you can see the basic details, right? Here you can the customer can manage the delivery addresses, right? These are the delivery addresses. Here the customer can check the orders, right? So this is the latest order which has been placed just now, right? And the customer can track the order, right? So I'll just click on this, right? Here are the order details. The status received means this order has been received by the merchant but not yet confirmed. Now after this we will be moving to the merchant side and confirming the order. And since order has not been confirmed from the merchant, so the driver hasn't been assigned. So once the driver is assigned, it will be reflected over here, and live tracking of the driver can be done. Here are the some of the basic statuses like received, confirmed, preparing, rider assigned, and delivered. Up to delivered, all the statuses will keep on changing as the order starts or order gets prepared from the merchant side, right? So I'll just go back, and here is the wallet. Here is the merchant detail, favorite merchant details, and if the customer wants to change the password, if the customer wants to manage the cards, some of the terms and conditions of this platform, and from here the logical logout button, right? And here are the some previous orders which the customer has already placed, and you can see the status has been changed to delivered, right? You can see all the orders are delivered, right? So now I'll be jumping onto the merchant side and accepting the order, right? Now I have logged in from the merchant's credentials, right? So a merchant would see some of the widgets like best sellers by quantity. Here are the names and quantities he has sold. Best sellers by amount in another widget, right? And like this, multiple other reports can be prepared and displayed over the dashboard. Moving forward, a merchant can add multiple products into multiple categories, right? And there is no limit for that. And number of products can be uploaded, right? And just now we have prepared. Just now the a customer has placed an order, right? So let's go ahead and see that order. That order on the merchant side will be visible on the sales and then the orders. So here you can see the order which has just been placed, the order number 39. If you remember the ID on the customer side, the order number is 39. He is paid, right? And the merchant name, as you know, Pal Pizza. So you'll see all the orders. So the merchant will see only orders associated with his store, right? You can see everything is related to Pal Pizza and the customer ID, right? And all other associated details like item cost, discount, delivery amount, and the profit. So now being a merchant now, I have to just go ahead and accept the order, right? From here, I can either cancel the order or I can accept the order, right? So the status by default is received, and now I have to confirm the order, right? So you can see the status has been changed to confirm, right? Likewise, I can go ahead and update the order as preparing, and all these statuses are getting reflected on the customer side as well. So whenever customer go ahead and check his account, he will see all these statuses getting changed, right? So now the chef has started preparing the order, right? So I have to assign a driver so that by the time order is prepared, the driver should be at the restaurant to pick up the order, right? So I'll just go ahead and select the driver. So here I have to change the location to Chandigarh, and these are the available drivers. So I'll select the one, right? And the status is assigned. By clicking on this, the driver would get a notification on his mobile app, and once he accepts that notification, then he should be reporting to the restaurant to pick up the order. By the time, I'll go ahead and change the status from preparing to rider assigned and save. The same status will be visible to the customer on his account, right? So now let's assume the order has been prepared and the driver has been assigned, right? And moving forward, I'll change the status to order prepared. So these are all the statuses which you saw on the customer portal as well. Now the order is prepared, and you can cross check the basic details of shipping address, right? You can check the product details once again, right? And by the time a driver reaches to pick up the order, I'll explain some more functionalities where you can manage uh, multiple users in your restaurant. You could be having multiple people like a waiter, an accountant, or a cashier. So all those users can be added over here, right? Then moving forward, you can plan some promotions and discounts. You can manage your coupon codes and discounts over here, right? Then moving ahead, a merchant can see the reports like low stock report, the best sellers by quantity, right? And the merchant earning reports. So here is a glimpse of merchant earning report. So this was the basic glimpse of the reports. And if a customer wish to give you some ratings and reviews, he can simply go ahead and post the comment, and that will be reflected to the merchant. And once the merchant approves that comment, that will be published on your page, right?
So now I have started recording on my mobile, and I have logged in as a driver on the phone mobile app, right? So I'll just switch on to the driver's app, and I'll get the notification once any of the orders has been assigned. Now you can see on my screen that one new order has been assigned and a notification is coming, right? And the pickup location as well as delivery location, you can see what has to be picked, that is also written over there, which is 1 into capsicum pizza, right? And total amount has been paid through the wallet. If it is cash on delivery, it would show cash on delivery over here, and driver would accept the cash from the customer, right? So I'll go ahead and accept the order. I'll just reload this page. Yeah. So now you can see the driver has to pick up this pizza from the said location. He can either go ahead and see on the map over here from where he has to pick and to where he has to drop. You can see a pin on the map and a flag on the map. And also by clicking on this arrow mark which is next to the Pal's Pizza, he will be redirected to the Google map to best the find routes, right? So here you can see a route has been assigned and a driver can follow up this route. So moving ahead, I'll show you some more functionalities of this driver app where he can uh, check his profile and connect with the support, right? So here is the basic profile of a driver. He can change his password, right? And whenever he finishes his duty, he can log out from here. So moving forward, I need to pick up the order. So I'll just pick up the order, and once I start the navigation and reaches to the destination and delivers the product, I'll just click on complete over here, and all these statuses will be reflected back on the customer portal as well, right? So you can see a food has been delivered to the set location of Chandigarh 123 sector, right? The pizza, and it was paid through the wallet, right? So the entire journey has been done right from the customer to the merchant and then to the driver app. Now I'll be taking you to the super admin portal where he'll be managing the entire platform, and he will be managing all other associated merchants and reports.
Now I have logged in from the super admin credentials, and here you can see multiple reports are available, right? You can see the orders, new customers on your platform, order totals, right? You can see even the incomplete orders, then latest orders, best sellers by quantity, best sellers by amount. So all these frequently used reports are presented to you in the form of a dashboard, right? Moving ahead, you can manage multiple categories for a merchant, right? Then you can manage multiple categories for products, and then multiple products can be added in those categories. So starting from the merchant category, here you can add n number of merchants who can come to your platform and list their products into defined categories. Then you can define multiple categories, which I have already explained. These are the multiple food categories. You can see pastas, soups, desserts, rolls. So these are the categories which you can define on your portal, being the super admin. Then merchants can add their products in those categories, right? So these are the products added, right? You can manage the prices. If you wish to unpublish, then you can simply toggle this switch off, and uh, this will be unpublished from the page, right? Moving ahead, you can manage the attributes as well, product attributes. Then moving forward to sales, you can see all the orders. You can put multiple filters over here, start date, end date. For a particular product, how many orders has been placed by putting this filter, right? Based on the merchants, you can put your filter. Based on payment methods, you can put the filters, right? And you can see all the orders over here. There also the associated statuses. Now, moving forward, a super admin can manage multiple users on his platform, right? He can create, if he wish to assign any other admin under him, he can add an admin, right? If he wish to add more merchants, he can add various merchants and users under those merchants. He can approve, disapprove the requests of customers as well as drivers. So these are all the drivers listed. If you remember, the driver 3 is over here, right, which has just delivered an order. Moving further, there is a tab of admin notifications. So all the notifications will be coming over here. And super admin on his part also can manage some of the discounts. Then coming to the content management, he can manage the content which should be published on his website or which should not be published on his website. So he can manage the entire content. Then there is a topic of configuration where he can manage various roles and permissions to the merchants, their admins, and the drivers, right? So here are the roles and permission tabs. I'll just quickly give you a glimpse of that. So this is the permissions tab, right? I'll just go to the roles tab as well. So from here, multiple roles can be managed. Then various store settings are available. Email accounts can be set. Multiple languages can be set. tax categories can be managed. So all the basic settings associated to the platform are available here, right? Moving ahead, he can see the reports. Under that, he can see the bestsellers. All the filters are available: start date, end date. All the products which has been approved as bestsellers are reflected over here. Super admin can also see the merchant earning reports. So how much a merchant is earning, and all the associated details will be visible over here. A quick summary is on the top, and also one of the best functionalities that he can export the entire data into Excel sheets from here, right? And again, he can also manage the reviews and ratings for his platform. Those reviews which has been approved will only be published on the website. So this was a quick glimpse of the admin. I hope you liked the demonstration. For any queries, please feel free to connect with us at sales@nestorbird.com. Thank you.